Assalamu alaikum, dear friends.
Wa alaikum assalam. Let's all watch this video from my friends Omar and Hana.
Omar, Hana, time for Salah.
Huh? But Daddy, we're not done catching these fish.
How about a story?
A story? Yes! Wow!
Listen, little ones, let me tell you of a man
who lived in the days when the prophet walked the land.
He was kind and strong, and he loved to play with cats. That's why they called him Abu Huraira.
As the story goes, he was very kind. He performed Salah every day and every night.
Wow! We love to be like Abu Huraira.
So let us all perform Salah. Let me tell you now of a woman in command
Who lived in the days when the prophet walked the land.
She was fearless and strong with an arrow in her hand. Such a great leader, she was called Khawla. As the story goes, she was very brave. She performed Salah every day and every night.
Wow! We would love to be like Hawla.
So let us all perform Salah.
Do you want to be great like them?
Yes!
Good!
Salah is the key to your true success.
Both in this world and the one that's next.
Let us get washed up before we do Salah. We shall have success, inshallah.
There have been many Muslims of fame.
They perform Salah every day. If you want the blessings of Allah, come to prayer, perform Salah. Come to prayer, perform Salah.
Allahu Akbar.
So let us all perform Salah.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. We hope you loved it. Let's subscribe to Zaki's YouTube channel for more Islamic cartoons and videos. Alhamdulillah!